This is Red River 13 by 38, 15 sheets. We'll see what this does to all those colors. This is in the Badlands with the wild, but overall I think it's gorgeous. I'm impressed, and it's very nice. Mobby Field, we call this one, on Red River Gloss Metallic. Right, on our longest image printed from this so far, it's going to be 17 by 80.
Some Director's Choice Awards that I wanted to honor, and the first is a piece called Harvest by James Bontley.